Hey, how's it going? Back at it again, another video. So today I'm gonna install one of my hardtop headliners onto my hardtop, and I've always wanted to do one of these. I've had a lot of questions on whether or not this vinyl wrap will apply to the foam OEM headliner on this thing. Honestly, it's a really nice finish here, and yeah, I mean, this design I picked, it's a gold wave design I actually offer on the website, along with really any sort of custom images and whatnot. But put a little additional flair to this. Yeah.
Alright.
So,
you ready to see this thing?
yeah, let's do this.
Right.
You!
Which way is it? There
So I put a big old Mega Gyarados in the wave, and yeah, this is gonna be sick. Let's pop this bad boy on here. Well, other way around. Or is it this way?
It should be that way.
Yeah.
Because when you stand it up.
Yeah.
If you stand it up. Oh, I still have a stand for these things if you want one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you do, don't you?
I do, yeah.
Alright.
Alright, well.
Alright, so this is the other view of Spinnywhoosh HQ Hot Wheels collection. You have as your nice, lovely backdrop, along with all the other clutter of my office. And, we gonna do this thing. I'm so excited though.
Yep. Alright, so if you want, stand on that side and just help me pull the backing off.
Now, first off, we've already cleaned off the foam padding, the foam OEM cover with alcohol to make sure this sticks properly.
Yep. You can clean it with like Windex or something. Just make sure it's the non-ammonia one. It'll work just fine. But rubbing alcohol works the best. Alright, grab that side.
So originally these vinyl headliners I've done so far have been square, and I'm hoping that after this one, I'm going to have them die cut to fit perfectly. Let's see how that goes.
Alright, so you just kind of want to lay it down, all the way down, yep, and let it like drape itself down to where it kind of wants to be. This is wrap film, and it will come as wrap film if you order one. So what you want to do is just kind of let it sit and get an eyeball judgment of kind of where it's at. You want to center it left to right. Like, you can't see this right now, but it is a little bit off. So I'm going to pull it to the right a little bit. That way you can see the edge of it's here. And I'm just going to make sure it's covering, just kind of loosely. Then what I'm going to do is start in the middle and go front to back. So, handy dandy squeegee. I'm going to start in the middle and just slowly work towards the back, then towards the front. Good enough.
I think that's a new slogan. Good enough.
Good enough.
No, it's bad.
And you just want to kind of pop it up and relieve the tension. So I've tacked it in the middle, so it's not going to go any further than that. So I want to keep the tension off of it and just continue to work from that middle part all the way out. You kind of want to have a heat gun or hair dryer, something handy, like that.
As a Miata owner, I know you have a hair dryer.
You have a hair dryer. It comes with one from the factory.
Yeah. Don't lie to yourself. Can't lie to us.
You just want to slowly work it down. It's going to want to kind of wrinkle up in a little spots, but it's wrap film, so it's very malleable. If you wrinkle it, don't be scared. Pull it back up, take the heat gun, hit it one time, it'll come out. And just slowly work your way all the way to the end. Alright, so once you get, let's say about 6 inches to the end, take your heat gun or your hair dryer, And just heat it up. What that's going to do is relax the vinyl from when you've been stretching and chiseling. Let it cool down just a little bit because you don't really want to pull on it while it's hot. And just kind of pop it up and keep working it in. Little bits at a time. Don't go big swipes because then it'll just bunch up on itself. You have a knife around here somewhere.
Sharp one?
That'll do. So I get to the latch, I'll squeegee all the way up to the latch and then make a cut straight up. That way I have two pieces, right? And then I'll work that one piece all the way around the back side. Then make another relief cut on the bottom. Keep working it. Another relief cut. And now it's all the way around the latch. Same thing on the other side. You can just kind of trim it up and tuck it underneath that latch. The corners are kind of hard to work with, but just take your time, go slowly, they'll eventually get there. So that. And we'll do the same on the other side. It's a slow process, but it's worth it.
It was probably the quickest wrap job I've seen. I mean...
Yeah, it's pretty easy compared to some other stuff you could be doing, but...
370, 350Z door cards.
Yeah, those kind of stuff.
Anything with bends around, massive holes cut out.
Bumpers.
Bumpers.
Miata bumpers. If you're going to wrap your Miata,
just don't.
It sucks. It really sucks. You just go around the edge and trim off all the excess. Clean it up, make it look good.
It's weird that front end has this sort of effect.
The curve?
Yeah. It makes sense to it.
I mean, it's an upside down bubble.
Yeah.
So it's really hard to wrap. I did mine with PVC film. It wasn't even wrap film.
Oh, God.
Yeah, it was terrible.
No wonder why that was a pain in the ass.
Yeah, that's why it bubbled up so much, too.
Jesus. Yeah, so that was back. I was going to say, like, I feel like you did that not even before working a red line.
Yeah, that was... Man, what was that?
not glider.
Oh, it was glider.
Yeah,
I was working on
what
glider.
it's called. You got the fucking name of that.
Alright, so you're doing the other side?
Yeah, let's do it.
Remember, it's like right here where it's tacked.
Now you can see where it all gets fucked up.
Alright, so you don't want to keep it up. You just want to relieve the pressure and then let it. So don't chisel. Kind of go all the way down and all the way back up. The more you chisel, the more you're going to be like off. You know what I'm saying? Like you'll go one side further than the other and it'll throw you off. This thing's gonna look so sweet.
I don't know if it's gonna do as good as the Rick and Morty one.
Yeah,
That bitch went viral. I just saw that again today. I tagged you in it or something.
Yeah.
I tagged like the old account.
It's like Miata Hub or something. Oh no, it was Unos Gang.
Yeah.
Because they didn't even tag the right account.
Yeah.
I think they just reshared.
There's accounts out there, but I think they reshared their old post.
Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, I got. What was it? The one where the Rick and Morty headliner where I had the hardtop stood up.
Yeah.
I got tagged in one of those again too.
I tagged you in that. Like, man.
No, it was like
another lie. I liked it better when it was clean.
It was like a JDM page. It wasn't even like a Miata page, and they reshared it.
Yeah.
I get reshared so many times.
So these headliners I make are basically just for Miatas. Haven't quite branched out to other cars because that all requires like fabric and.
But we are, because we can now print fabric.
We have it available.
We can print fabric in any design, any color. Like I did the door cards on the Skyline, and I did printed suede.
Yeah. The prints came out amazing.
Yeah,
it came out so good.
It was just as good as quality as vinyl prints. So we're coming out with it. We're gonna get prices together. It sucks, doesn't it?
A little bit.
And before you do anything, let it cool down. Because if you do it right now while it's hot, it'll stretch. Nope, let it cool down. It'll all go away. You see how it's like working itself out? Yeah. It's 3M, baby.
Let's see if it's uncut or see where I have to fucking cut it. All right, it's going down. To it. I mean, we made it look pretty damn easy because, you know, we've done some vinyl for a while, but it's not all too bad if you have the right tools. If you've never worked with vinyl, I definitely recommend, you know, having a friend help you out, give you a second hand on all this stuff. But man, it turns out absolutely sweet. As you can see, hopefully this lighting is working for me, and I got in here, it looks incredible. So yeah, if you like this video, shoot me a subscription. I got plenty more coming where that came from. Comment down below if you have any questions about this. I'll also have in the description where you can put your own, or where you can buy your own hardtop headliner. Basically, I could do just about any image. You can send me something high res. I can work with you to create something, and yeah, we'll go from there.